Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting now. Rinse and wash the marked area with a pH-neutral soap, then dry so you can see the paint transfer. Once dry, tape off trim and test a small hidden panel with 70% isopropyl alcohol for 1 to 2 minutes to confirm paint isn't adhesive bonded. Next, use a plastic scraper at a low angle to lift flakes. Be gentle. Make sure to keep microfiber cloths handy and the clay bar within reach for the next pass. Once the obvious flakes are lifted, you switch to a clay bar with a dedicated lubricant and work the section methodically. You'll feel the surface smooth as you remove embedded paint transfer. Make sure to keep relubricating so you don't mar the clear coat. If residue persists, apply a small amount of rubbing compound on a clean microfiber pad and buff with light circular pressure until it blends. If a spot resists, try a plastic razor or an approved solvent. You finish by cleaning the treated area with isopropyl alcohol to remove any compound residue. Then inspect under daylight for haze, swirl marks, or scratches. Once satisfied, apply a fine polish to restore gloss and follow immediately with wax or a ceramic spray to protect the clear coat and prevent future transfers. If you notice dulling or clear coat damage, stop and consult a professional. Trying aggressive sanding or stronger solvents yourself can require repainting, so that's the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.